Welcome to the IVM Podcast Network.
TFG Fantasy Cricket is an IVM production, and you can also check out their other awesome shows like The Podcast, a show that gives you a weekly lowdown on Mumbai's food, culture, and new openings in the city.
You're listening to TFG Fantasy Cricket.
Hey guys, welcome to a new episode of TFG Fantasy Cricket Podcast. My name is Nikhil. Vivek is with me on Skype. Actually, uska chutti hai, but he said, no, I'll find half an hour time for this. So thank you, Vivek.
Thank you. हमें शुक्रिया अदा तो लोगों का करना चाहिए. We should be thanking our listeners, our followers, Nikhil.
I'll tell you what, it was a crazy evening last night with respect to cricket because we got to saw the Gale storm. Okay.
Yes.
But from the moment AB de Villiers tweeted he won't be playing, my God, there were so many messages on our Twitter, Facebook, website, and people were going. I mean, obvious. AB de Villiers is a huge player. It's a huge player.
Such a big name announcing that he won't be playing. So it caused so much confusion.
Yep.
To an extent, it was overwhelming. The kind of messages we received on the website, our podcast, and obviously Facebook and Twitter. So really, thank you very much that our efforts are being appreciated, recognized, and acknowledged.
And what a team yesterday!
Everybody.
I mean,
and what a team!
Yeah,
and what a team!
People, went with so many. I don't know.Maybe they were not guided or they didn't know about ABD's injury. But those who followed us got to know about this. उन्होंने फटाक से change किया into Gale. And what result, man? We had Gale.
Absolutely.
We had Virat. We had Brendan McCullum. We had Yuzvendra Chahal.
Yes, we had pretty much everybody, didn't we?
Yes.
So, the moment the news came out, it was very clear to us at least that Chris Gale would get a game. And like I explained in the article, explosive batsman for an explosive batsman.
Yes.
When you don't have AB de Villiers, where are the runs going to come from? Chris Gale. So we picked him. We also said one of Head or Watson would play.
Yeah.
Now, what we obviously didn't know was Samuel Badri.
Samuel Badri ने भी ट्वीट करना चाहिए था.
Exactly. मैं कह रहा हूँ तो फिर अपने को अरे यार. So this is the thing, but we are very excited. And it was a complete team, Nikhil. Yes. Even Pawan Negi chipped in for us.
Yeah.
Kedar Jadhav. I was very stubborn. I said I will pick Jadhav ahead of Dinesh Karthik. Yeah. And look what Kedar Jadhav did.
Yes.
37 crucial runs. So this is where analysis comes into play. And मैंने आपसे पहले भी कहा था, दोबारा कहूँगा, in the long run, it matters.
It matters.
And you will always have the last laugh. Like we found out yesterday.
Yeah. I mean, this last week and this week has been really good. I think we are getting into the groove now.
We have got into the groove. Injuries, bans, whatever, replacements are beyond us. But हमसे जितना बनता है, we'll give you the best 11. Okay. And like Nikhil rightly said, we have had a very good week now.
Yeah.
So looking forward to many more and tonight's game.
Yeah. Before we go into tonight's game, मैं हमारे बैकएंड में थोड़ा सा रिसर्च करता हूँ कि कहाँ से ट्रैफिक आ रहा है और क्या क्वेरीज पब्लिक गूगल में डाल रहा है टू सर्च आवर वेबसाइट. नाउ कैसे होता है कि हम आर्टिकल डालते हैं, कभी कभी पॉसिबल हो जाता है कि गूगल सर्च रिजल्ट में वो दिखे, कभी कभी नहीं आ जाता. बट वन थिंग आई वांट टू टेल आवर लिसनर्स इज कि फॉर एग्जांपल इफ यू नाउ सिंस वी आर गोइंग इनटू द second half of IPL, for example, match is between RCB and Gujarat Lions. तो आप गूगल में डालोगे कि फैंटेसी क्रिकेट टिप्स फॉर RCB वर्सेस GL. ओके, पॉसिबिलिटी है कि गूगल आपको GL वर्सेस RCB का हमारा आर्टिकल बताएगा. दो अलग अलग मैच है, इसकी दो अलग अलग टीम्स बनेगी. सो डोंट बी कंफ्यूज, जस्ट एक बार चेक कर लो कि हम कौन से टीम को रिफर कर रहे हैं. यू आर गेटिंग माई पॉइंट, विवेक?
Yeah, very much. It is important that people know this.
Yeah, तो कभी कभी कैसा होता है कि समझो RCB वर्सेस GL पहले हो चुका है, ओके, और गूगल ने आपको वो वाला मैच दिखा दिया जबकि अभी चल रहा है GL वर्सेस RCB. सो आपको वो थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा. गो टू अवर लेटेस्ट, मतलब गो टू अवर पेज, फैंटेसी क्रिकेट के पेज में जाओ या फैंटेसी पंडित के पेज में जाओ, तो आपको क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर में सारे आर्टिकल्स मिलेंगे. सो चेक फॉर द लेटेस्ट आर्टिकल.
और
डोंट गो 10 दिन
website.
पहले का. या ओके. सो ऑन दिस नोट लेट्स मूव ऑन टू टुडेज मैच. हैदराबाद plays Delhi, and
That's correct.
the match is in Hyderabad. Delhi has been a thorn for Hyderabad. In last season also, Hyderabad couldn't beat Delhi.
Well, but tonight's game मैं तो आज के बारे में बात करना चाहूंगा. I feel it's going to be a good game, and it is going to be a battle between two quality bowling sides. If you look at Delhi, one of the reasons they have done well. When I say done well, अभी last 2 game जीते हैं, and they have won convincingly.
Yeah.
I think they lost the last match against KKR. If
Okay.
I'm not wrong, but
Okay.
they still have 4 on the board.
Yeah.
And
yeah.
SRH also had a great game. But if you look at the depth, Zahir, Cummins, Shahbaz Nadeem, Chris Morris, Amit Mishra, with Anderson returning, there is so much strength, there is so much balance in the bowling. Variety kitni hai.
Seriously.
And let's not forget Murugan Ashwin and Jayant Yadav, Mohammad Shami, all these guys are warming the bench, Nikhil. And Kagiso Rabada, if I may add.
Yeah.
So,
True.
Compared to Rashid Khan, Bhuvneshwar, Barinder Saran, Ashish Nehra, Mustafizur Rahman, Chris Jordan, what a lineup, what a brilliant lineup. मैंने आपसे कहा था आशीष नेहरा को बेंच करेंगे. वो गेम में नहीं हुआ, उसके अगले गेम में हुआ. क्योंकि मैं जान गया था कहीं ना कहीं. देखो क्या होता है अक्सर when you age, Nikhil, you might be picking wickets. But there comes a time when the team has to say, you have to rest. And I knew it would happen. He was picking a wicket every match. And I knew they would ask Ashish Nehra to rest sometime. And that's where they played Barinder Saran. Later on, David Warner said, Barinder is fit and we'll play him. Which brings me to today's match. Again, there could be a toss-up between the two. और अगर मैं कप्तान हूँ, I would feel, my gut feel is, Ashish Nehra will continue to be benched आज के लिए.
Okay.
Because if you look at Delhi's batting lineup, it is not a very celebrated lineup. I understand Samson is getting runs, Rishabh Pant is getting runs, Sam Billings is getting runs. लेकिन ये वैसी टीम है जिनको देखकर आपको घबराहट नहीं होती. आप अगर यूसुफ पठान, गंभीर और शाकिब बैंडलिन को देखो, you really fear their batting lineup. Likewise, McCallum, Smith and Raina. और somebody like Pollard, Butler and Rohit. So इसमें वैसा कोई बंदा नहीं है. आपको नजर आता है?
नहीं, it's more of a team effort दिल्ली में.
Exactly. So I don't think Hyderabad should go all out and field a very formidable bowling lineup. I still feel Bhuvneshwar will play. I feel Rashid Khan will play. Mohammad Nabi, who did well in the last game, might get a run. Because he gives you the off-spinning option also. Okay? And then you have the local bowlers in Barinder Saran. विपुल शर्मा भी खेल सकता है. बेन कटिंग मेरे को नहीं लगता आज खेलेगा.
Okay.
Because if you talk about the all-rounder slot, Moses Henriques could also miss out.
Okay, that would be a big blow then.
So Moses Henriques, before he was down with the stomach bug, was performing very well. But after that break, he has not been able to get on with the momentum. 2 failures हो चुके हैं अभी. And this is where I feel somebody like a Kane Williamson has to be called in to bat at number 3.
Okay.
If you also observe Yuvraj Singh, Naman Ojha and Deepak Hooda, these guys haven't performed great either. So there is too much pressure on David Warner and Shikhar Dhawan.
And the bowlers.
ठीक है? And obviously the bowlers. और हैदराबाद क्यों बच रही है मैं आपको बताऊं, क्योंकि बहुत अच्छी bowling lineup है उनकी.
Yes, true.
So this is where I feel, मैं आपको कह रहा हूँ, आज Kane Williamson मेरे ख्याल में तो खेलना ही चाहिए.
Okay.
Should you pick him? It is always a risk as an overseas player. Like we saw against Shakib, like we saw against Morgan. But I would advise, अगर आप 2 टीम बनाना चाहते हो तो एक टीम में आप विलियमसन जरूर लो. मुझे लगता है आज वो खेल जाएगा.
Okay.
But we get to our batting lineup, which is Sanju Samson from Delhi, Sam Billings from Delhi, David Warner, Yuvraj Singh and Shikhar Dhawan. This is our top 5 batsmen.
Okay.
Moving on to the all-rounder slot, Chris Morris. जैसे कि मैंने आपसे कहा, यहाँ पे options है. You can go for an Angelo Matthews, but who would want to pick an Angelo Matthews who's always half fit, Nikhil, tell me?
Yeah, true.
You never know. Anderson कभी बीमार हो जाता है, कभी injured हो जाता है. So I'm very happy with this. I don't want to pick Ben Cutting or Nabi or Henriques. क्योंकि this is a very grey area.
Okay.
One between the three will play. मैं आपसे कह रहा हूँ.
Okay.
And then bowling, Zahir, Amit Mishra, Rashid Khan and Bhuvneshwar Kumar.
Okay.
So this completes our team with Rishabh Pant as a keeper.
But then tell me, I have a doubt. Like you said,
Yeah.
कि Yuvraj Singh has not been performing. So why are we risking Yuvraj Singh? I mean, we could have some other player if.
There is actually nobody from Hyderabad. Like I said, there is Deepak Hooda. Naman Ojha is a keeper. They might play that Vijay Kumar. But Yuvraj Singh का जो reputation है, like we said in the first game, if you remember that SRH played against Bangalore.
Yeah.
We had the same discussion and we picked Yuvraj and he scored a 50. Similarly, he could come out, go all guns blazing.
How about Moses Henriques to Yuvraj?
वही मैंने आपसे कहा था, मोजेस हेनरिकेज मेरे को घबराहट हो रही है भाई. मुझे लगता है अगर वो केन विलियमसन आता है तो हेनरिकेज पे तलवार गिर सकता है.
Okay.
Because he is not been bowling well either.
Yeah.
If you look at Henriquez ka numbers, he has bowled 2 or 3 overs. He's gone for runs, boss. So, अगर कोई all-rounder bowling में मार खा रहा है, and if there is a better batsman, why wouldn't you play Williamson? I just think this might happen because these guys have a great bowling lineup. They don't have to rely on Henriquez ka medium pace. Do you agree with me?
Yeah, I understand. But the only thing is that मतलब मुझे ये बात लग रही है कि युवराज काफी नीचे आता है बैटिंग करने को. Okay.
बैटिंग नीचे आता तो मैं सहमत हूँ इस बात से, लेकिन ये लोग if you see after Warner and Dhawan there is nobody.
Yeah, true. That's
and
true.
Delhi's got a decent bowling.
How about risking Mohammad Nabi for Yuvraj?
Very good question. अगर लास्ट मैच की आप परफॉर्मेंस देखो, he did pretty okay with the ball. He picked up a wicket.
Yes, and we know what he can do with the bat if given a chance. Exactly. I completely agree. It's actually एक strong case बनता है मेरे ख्याल में, क्योंकि अगर हैदराबाद का परफॉर्मेंस देखो, they won the last match. So why would they want to change the overseas players? Yeah,
if at all Henriquez could be the one to suffer. I still have my doubts over Mustafizur Rahman. मैंने आपसे लास्ट गेम में भी कहा था कि आप लेना नहीं, क्योंकि वो खेला नहीं था लास्ट मैच भी. So don't take a chance.
And if I see last match में the way Nabi and Rashid were bowling, ऐसा लग रहा था दोनों में competition है कि कौन ज्यादा विकेट्स लेता है.
Fantastic. Yes, this is exactly what Hyderabad would want, you know.
Yeah.
And this is great for fantasy cricket players also. And हमने इन दोनों को in tandem bowling करते हुए देखा है against Afghanistan.
Yes.
So there is, why would they not do it against Delhi? Who is playing
them for the first time?
Yes, both are playing them for the first time.
Yes.
So it's a fantastic point that you make. I think Mohammad Nabi should be looked at and he might be given his second chance आज.
Yeah.
लेकिन उसको अगर मैं स्वैप करूं युवराज के साथ, मेरे को थोड़ा रिस्की लगता है. मैं ये नहीं कह रहा हूं कि नाबी विकेट नहीं लेगा या रन नहीं बनाएगा. मुझे डर इस बात की लगी रहती है कि अगर ओवरसीज प्लेयर्स को कोई सैक्रिफाइस कर जाए तो आप पीछे रह जाते हो.
So exactly, but then your point कि अगर कोई सैक्रिफाइस होना है तो वो मोजेस हेनरिकेस होगा.
मोजेस हेनरिकेस होगा ही. सो अगर ऐसा होता है कि हमारा कहना है कि मोजेस हेनरिकेस होना चाहिए, but what if they don't drop him and they drop Nabi? तब क्या करोगे? I'm just saying, see, these things happen.
I know this such kind of funny things do happen.
Exactly. Chris Wokes played, Trent Bolt played, Colin D. Granholm played, Shakib didn't play. अभी इसका क्या लॉजिक है भाई, बताओ. तो यही है ना. But what you said is a fantastic point. I completely agree. Mohammad Nabi can be looked at, but ऐसा कर सकते हैं. Do you think we can take a chance by picking Mohammad Nabi?
Yes, I think we take a chance. I think we should take a chance because see, he's a good contributor from bat and we have seen what he can do with the ball. Okay, even though and Rashid और उसका जो compatibility है, it's amazing. So I doubt if Hyderabad will take a chance because last match भी हैदराबाद में था.
Yes,
if I'm not wrong. Yeah. And on that pitch, these two guys were very difficult to bat on. And since Delhi is playing, और जैसे तुमने कहा कि Delhi doesn't have a good celebrated batting lineup, it will be difficult for all these newbies like Sanju Samson, Rishabh Pant to gauge those, you know.
I completely agree.
So I think it makes a good case.
चलो हम एक आज calculated chance ले ही लेते हैं. Yuvraj is going through low form and Delhi have the class and variety to dismiss him. So let's go with Mohammad Nabi.
Okay.
Okay. So let's see if we find enough budget first. So that Yuvraj Singh and perfect.
Yeah, it can be fit in.
Yes.
Okay.
Our captain remains David Warner, Nikhil.
Yeah, there's no question. I mean, irrespective he performs, he doesn't perform, वो risk लेना ही नहीं है Warner के बगैर.
Exactly. And fortunately for everybody, he has performed in every match अभी तक.
Yes. And you remember last time you said Warner's record against I think
KXIP.
Kings 11.
I said 3 in a row, 4 in a row, अभी 5 in a row हो गया. So this is how he is, and in this format you can't drop him.
Yeah. Okay. And
our vice captain is Chris Morris.
Obvious.
Bat and ball. Okay. Yes.
Obvious choice. Yeah. So guys, that's our team. Our article will be up on our website. Is up on our website, thefangarage.com. आपके जो भी doubts है, कोई अच्छी बातें है, तो please write into us at TFG Fantasy 11. That is on Twitter, and Fantasy Pandit on Facebook. You can listen to our podcast on IndusVox Media, SoundCloud, iTunes, Audio Boom, and definitely on YouTube. Subscribe, share, like, and comment. Comment is very important. जैसे भी हो, I know हम लोगों को काफी बार मार पड़ी है, but बहुत बार हमें अच्छे replies भी आए हैं. So
yes, certainly.
Okay, till then, good luck, guys. Bye bye.
Excuse me भैया, excuse me.
बोलिए मैडम.
मेन्यू में क्या है?
मेन्यू में सीन अनसीन है, पॉडकास्ट है, ऑन कोर्स है, साइरस है, मेड इन इंडिया, रीडिस्कवरी प्रोजेक्ट, एम्पावरिंग सीरीज, सेक्स वैक्स है, IVM लाइक्स है, सिंप्लीफाइड है, कीपिंग इट क्वियर है, थिंग्स एंड डेस्टिनेशंस है, माय नेबर जकरबर्ग है और द फैन गराज है. आपको क्या चाहिए?
एक बार रिपीट कर देंगे क्या?
रिपीट नहीं करता हम. आप जाओ IVMpodcast.com पे और सुनो ये सब, या फिर डाउनलोड करो उनका ऐप. सब आपकी उंगलियों पे.